Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Nav here. Today we are going to be going over how to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. One of the three big ones. Super beginner video. I'm sure if you already know anything about cryptocurrency, you know how to buy your Bitcoins and your Litecoins. But if you're brand new to cryptocurrency, welcome to the game. Today's video will show beginners how to buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. So the first step we need to do is, the easiest way for someone to get into Bitcoin is through Coinbase. So if you guys go to the first link in the description, you'll see the Coinbase link. If you click that link and sign up through that link, you'll get $10 free Bitcoin, and I as well get some Bitcoin, so it's a win-win for both of us. So we're going to use that. So we're going to go to Coinbase, coinbase.com, not /dashboard. And that will bring up, okay, I'm already logged in, but that'll bring up a website. Let's sign out, we'll see. Okay, cool, so it'll bring up this website for you guys, and then you click the sign up button. You're gonna click sign up, you're gonna go through the process. If you're business, individual, pretty simple. You're gonna sign up, and then you'll be logged in. You have to verify your account, so you're going to have to sign up and submit an ID document and a bank statement, most likely. Coinbase is pretty quick with their turnaround time for verification, but just so you know, you will have to do that. And then once your account is all set up and you've added your credit card and you are in Coinbase now, your account is verified, you will be on this page here. And so this page basically just gives you the price of Bitcoin, the increase since the last month, and the percentage since the last month. You can change this right here if you want to see the hourly, 1 day. It's not a very good chart for analyzing anything. It's just to show you what Bitcoin's doing. You also have the options of Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So you can just see the prices of all of them right here. You can see your portfolio down here. So how much, let's say on 1 Bitcoin, it'll show 1 Bitcoin and the dollar value right there, and your recent activity. So let's say you're all set up now, you're verified, and you're on Coinbase. You want to buy some Bitcoin. You're going to click the buy and sell. And then you're going to click buy, as it should always be on. And then you're going to pick what you want to buy. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you buy Bitcoin. You pick your payment method. So my credit card is linked up here, and apparently my weekly limit is $250. I don't use Coinbase to buy my Bitcoin, but if you're new to Bitcoin, and you're new to cryptocurrency, Coinbase is definitely the easiest you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy $100 Canadian. I'm in Canada, so $100. That'll convert to 0.005 Bitcoin. And so there, I would click buy Bitcoin instantly, and boom, I would go back to my dashboard after that confirms, and I would have 0.005 Bitcoin. Okay, so now that you have Bitcoin in your wallet, not your wallet, sorry, now that you have Bitcoin on your Coinbase, and you want to send it out somewhere. Let's say you want to send it to an offsite wallet such as the Exodus wallet. I'm going to open up my Exodus wallet and show you guys. So to download the Exodus wallet, you're going to click right here, and you're going to click download. Pretty simple. You don't need to do anything else. You're going to download the wallet, and it will open up something like this once it's downloaded. You'll create your wallet and open it up, and you'll have this right here. So let's say you want to move your Bitcoin from Coinbase into your Exodus wallet. So you're going to go into your wallet, and you're going to click receive. You're going to click receive, and then you're going to copy this address. This is your Bitcoin address. So this is like the destination of your wallet. So you're going to copy that, and you're going to go back to your Coinbase. On Coinbase, you're going to go to why is it not letting me click? Oh. You're going to go to accounts. So you're going to click on accounts here, and you're going to click send. My send is not working because I don't have any Bitcoin in my account. But if you did, you would click send. You'd paste the address from your Exodus wallet in, this address right here. You'd paste that in, and you click whatever. You want to send 1 Bitcoin, you say 1 Bitcoin, and it will send directly to your wallet. Now on your Exodus wallet, where'd it go? You'll see that come up in about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll have the value of your Bitcoin, and your Bitcoin will be here and you'll see exactly how much Bitcoin you own. And the same thing works for any other currency that is on Exodus. Multiple different altcoins are there. But for the basic purpose of this video, that is the easiest way to buy Bitcoin, and the easiest way to store Bitcoin is definitely to move it off-site into a different wallet. Pretty simple. You guys can link bank accounts, visas, credit cards, whatever you guys want to buy your Bitcoin on Coinbase. Remember, click the first link in the description, and you'll get $10 free Bitcoin. Pretty simple stuff. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the description, and I'll be back with another video.